guys, welcome back, and this is part 2 of my day 3 Japan trip. After ko sa Fushimi Inari, I'm headed now to Aeon Mall, which is just near Kyoto train station. And yes, meron na akong payong kasi before leaving, biglang umulan ulit kaya napabili na ako. Naghahanap ako ng makakainan and I thought of having ramen for lunch since naisip ko bagay siya for this rainy weather. Yesterday, lunch ko ramen and today ramen again. Syempre, sulitin ko na habang andito pa ako sa Japan. Dahil parang nagutom ako, I decided to get the meal set that has a side of gyoza and rice with my hot bowl of ramen. So guys, mag-lunch lang muna ako and ang sarap din ng kain ko since bagay talaga yung mainit na soup sa maulan na weather. After kong mabusog sa lunch, eto, I'm walking around Aeon Mall to see kung ano yung mga stores and shops available inside. I saw a Uniqlo store and sakto may sale pa. I saw this nice long sleeve t-shirt and syempre inisip ko na this will be nice for my OOTDs here in Japan. Sinadya ko talaga to bring less clothes for this trip since I anticipated na magsha-shopping din naman talaga ako and whatever I buy, gagamitin ko na rin. I like the shirt so much and since sale siya, I had to get another color. So eto guys, mag-checkout na muna ako and I like that they have these self-checkout counters. And unfortunately, since di umabot ng 5,000 yen yung purchase ko, di siya tax-free. So eto guys, bumalik ako sa Kiyomizu-dera kasi nga kahapon, almost closing time na nung nagpunta ako. Much better na rin yung weather ngayon unlike earlier, di na siya maulan but instead cloudy na lang. From Kiyomizu-dera, you can see the city of Kyoto and despite the gloomy weather, it was still a beautiful view. And eto guys, if you see, ang daming tourists sa baba because this area is really popular. I stayed here for about an hour going around and taking pictures before I decided to call it a day. Kahit nakadalawang coffee na ako earlier, I saw this nice and very aesthetic coffee shop kaya naman I had to stop by for coffee again. Other than coffee, their donuts look delicious as well and they are freshly made kaya naman I had to try it out. The cafe also sells some merchandise. Eto, they have mugs as well as some coffee beans for sale. Other than the industrial interiors of the cafe, which makes it very IG worthy, pati presentation ng coffee and donuts nila, very aesthetic. After finishing my cup of coffee, I saw this message under the cup and let's see if makakadaan ulit ako dito tomorrow. Since wala na akong ibang pupuntahan for the day, I just decided to walk around the Gion area until sundown. So ayun na nga, sa kalalakad ko, ginutom ako kaya I am trying to find a place to have dinner. I saw this small noodle shop and since maraming kumakain sa loob, naisip ko baka masarap yung food nila dito. So eto guys, I'll have dinner na muna and this wraps up my day 3 Japan vlog. Bye guys!